Hey, what's up guys? Gator here. Good afternoon and welcome to Wolf Hollow County Park in Chester County. We are exploring the Octoraro Ridge trail today in this gorgeous county park that I recently discovered. I've never been here before, but so far we've been through a variety of terrain. We should be taking a trail that goes above the Octoraro Creek, hopefully with some views down to the creek. You see we have this lovely pond here right now, and I'm just loving this park so far. Just continuing on this Octoraro Ridge trail, and I'm surprised that the trees here are pretty big, but it's a nice wide open path. You could drive an off-road vehicle on here, and it's really nice, really pretty place. I'll tell you one thing, I know I'm sweating a little bit, but weather-wise for midsummer, this really isn't that bad. We have like about 83, 84 degrees, a little bit humid, but not too bad here in the forest where it's pretty shady. You can see from this vantage point here, the canopy is primarily tulip poplar. We have some beech and some oak. I've seen a few cherry trees, but I guarantee you this place is going to be beautiful looking in the fall. Definitely deserves a fall return visit. Now this is a nice leisurely trail, plenty wide. There is some up and down, but it's manageable. Would be an easy trail for kids or anyone in any kind of reasonable physical condition. Looking off to the left here is about as open of a view as I've gotten, and you can't really tell with the camera probably, but I'd say we're at a good 750 feet in elevation. There's a pretty big valley out there. You just can't seem to see it, and we seem to be walking along a private property boundary line. Haven't come across a single person on the trail so far, and considering it's a Saturday in the middle of August, in the middle of summer, that's pretty impressive. Definitely liking that fact. I noticed when I pulled off, the parking lot for this place was pretty small, so I think this place may be a little bit off the radar compared to the more popular, more well-known parks. I decided to branch off of the main trail, the Octoraro Trail, and head down this charcoal trail, which is taking us down towards the creek. And you can see it's much different terrain, much different type of trail. We're now down to the very base of Octoraro Creek, and it's running a little high. We've had a lot of rain this week. I imagine this stream runs crystal clear most of the time, but right now it's got a little turbidity to it, a little murkiness. Still beautiful though. The path was now leveled off to a wide, flat trail again. Now we got something really interesting here, guys. We got some old ruins of a building and a wall, an old fence. Let's check this out. You can see clearly the foundation walls of, there was some structure here at some point. Well, this is another awesome find here at Wolf Hollow County Park in Chester County. Old ruins, old stone ruins, and an old fence around it. Looked like a well too. Right on the creek here, so maybe it was an old mill at some point. That's my best guess. I'll have to look it up when I get home. Awesome. You know, in Pennsylvania, we love our Second Amendment. That's all I can say about that. Somebody is lighting off not far from here. This park really hits a little bit of everything. We're now in this quiet section on the edge of the woods, and out to our left is open fields. Nothing but birds and butterflies and open grassland. Very peaceful. Here we are on the edge of the woods in the fields, and what I suspect is these plants where all these butterflies are gathered are milkweed, which is a vital plant for the monarch butterfly and many other butterfly species during their migration. And I've never seen so many butterflies in my life. I mean, I've seen probably thousands here at this park. It's incredible. Well, it was a good hike today. Really glad I stumbled upon this place. And I think my final thoughts on Wolf Hollow County Park in Chester County is that I love it. It's a gem. It's easy hiking. Anybody can do it. Trails for the most part are nice and wide, but you can see lots of different stuff. Open fields and countryside like this that Chester County is known for. Mature forest, wildflowers, birds, butterflies, old historic ruins, and some deeper forest, and some trails that even get you down by the creek as well. And we haven't even explored all that this park has to offer. But we've done a good 5 miles at least, I'd say. And it's getting to be dinner time. The sun's beginning to set. and I think it's time to hit the road. So until next time, guys, see you on the trail.